Okay, a little update for you guys on the engine light. Let's have a look and sort it out.
Little puck stripped down, new LED soldered in.
There we are, that works. It's that one there. That's on now. Right, all back together and working. Alright, as you can see, engine light on, and we've got one error. Read codes, EGR again. Right, if I go down to erase codes, start the engine, and it's gone off. Right, one thing I said in the last video, which I seem to be wrong, is there was no way of telling. If you turn the ignition on, the engine light comes on as a check. Right, as soon as you start up, it'll go off. So that's all you have to check for when you're buying a car, is make sure it comes on with the ignition. I didn't mention it because I thought I was imagining it, because I had a look in my Volkswagen van and it didn't do it, so it looks like I need to strip the clocks down in that as well. Right guys, so when you're buying a car, make sure you check that engine light. Make sure it comes on with the ignition and goes off when you start the engine. I just had to take them to pieces again because those two weren't working. So, sorted.